24 hours in a day. If you can just shut up and listen for the next 60 seconds, I will literally give you the playbook to making more money. Mind you, this has no benefit for me directly. I'm not here to get you to pay me for shit. I'm just gonna give you the game and hopefully you like the video, okay? Listen the fuck up. There's a software called CaloData. You see, not gatekeeping, calodata.com. What this does is this shows you all of the top products being sold on TikTok Shop and exactly how much money they're making every single month. You can filter by category and you can pick whatever niche you're interested in, okay? Here is how you're going to be able to use this platform to put some fucking cash in the pocket, bro, and just listen. You see, these are all the top categories. So we're gonna go on to the second page where there's still a lot of motion, but it's a little bit less, right? Let's just pick skincare. This is random, but just stay with me. So we'll pick skincare and then we're gonna start going through products. We don't want anything branded. So what we have to do is we have to do some research. Some actual effort is required, but do you wanna make money or not? So we'll keep scrolling until we find something, okay? Boom, look at this. This is turmeric soap. I don't know, but I know that it's making $212,000 per month, okay? Remember what I said, this is $212,000 per month on TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop. Stay with me. Now, we can go over to AliExpress. Now, we will never ship from AliExpress, ever, but it is just a catalog to find products. Boom, they sell turmeric soap with over 5,000 five-star reviews. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Shopify and we're going to build a website around our turmeric soap, okay? Just like this, very simple Shopify store, clean, boom, 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 right? Gonna show you the whole thing. Now, why does this work? As you can see on CaloData, it shows us the best videos for the turmeric soap and how much money they're fucking making. You can literally see how much sales each video is driving. Now, all we have to do is take those videos, copy the format, edit them ourselves. You know, we can remake our own videos, we can re-edit those, and we're gonna just run those as ads on Instagram and Facebook because that is all the traffic coming from TikTok Shop, meaning that Instagram and Facebook customers haven't yet seen this product yet. And as you can see, we have a brand right here called Elzen running all these Instagram ads for the turmeric soap right to this website. And those ads are taken right from CaloData. This is the playbook. Like I said, all you have to do is listen. There's the playbook. You're probably thinking, where's the catch? Why is he giving us the game? There's got to be something. He must be. Bro, I told you this before. If you're new to my account, I'm trying to grow my account by helping people. I don't care whether you do this or not, but this is the method. Hope you enjoy.